In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Base44. If you're looking for a way to generate some additional income by leveraging your tech skills, then creating a micro SaaS app could be an excellent opportunity. It's a straightforward, efficient way to tap into a lucrative market, offering tools that solve specific problems for users while providing you with a steady revenue stream. So, let's dive into how you can create a simple, paid tool that addresses one particular issue. The concept of a micro SaaS app is all about simplicity and efficiency. You want to build a tool that delivers a clear, tangible benefit to your users, something that saves them time and effort. Imagine tools like an AI resume builder that helps users craft the perfect job application, or an invoice generator specifically designed for freelancers. Maybe it's an Instagram caption generator for social media enthusiasts, an appointment booking system for small businesses, or perhaps a lead tracker. Each of these serves a unique purpose for niche markets looking for hassle-free solutions. The monetization aspect is quite straightforward. The idea is to offer these tools on a subscription basis, encouraging users to pay a monthly fee ranging from Rs$1.99 to Rs$9.99 each month. By offering a free trial period, potential customers can experience firsthand the value your tool provides before committing to a monthly plan. This method is particularly effective because small businesses and independent professionals are generally willing to pay for tools that save them time and improve their productivity. It's crucial to understand why this approach works so well. Small businesses often seek cost-effective solutions that can streamline their operations quickly and efficiently. They are constantly on the lookout for tools that allow them to focus more on their core activities rather than spending excessive time on routine tasks. By presenting them with a micro SaaS app that elegantly solves a problem they face regularly, you not only create value for them, but also establish a consistent income source for yourself. When you're designing your app, focus on user experience and customer feedback. Make sure that the interface is intuitive and that your product is easy to navigate. Encourage feedback from your trial users and be prepared to make adjustments to enhance their experience. Additionally, marketing your tool effectively can greatly increase your subscriber base. Utilize online platforms and social media to reach your target audience, showcasing the effectiveness and convenience of your app. To wrap things up, by following these steps, you can successfully create a micro SaaS app with Base44 and establish a viable income stream. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your product seamlessly meets the needs of your audience. So start brainstorming, get creative with your ideas, and begin building a tool that's not just useful, but indispensable for your users. Happy coding, and best of luck with your micro SaaS ventures.